Arlo Pro4 Installation Service. Tampa. Advanced security made easy. Are you looking for a reliable, high-quality security camera system to protect your home or business in Tampa? The Arlo Pro4 is one of the top choices for DIY security enthusiasts due to its impressive features, including 2K HDR video, color night vision, built-in spotlight, and compatibility with popular smart home systems like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. However, while the Arlo Pro4 is marketed as a DIY solution, the truth is that professional installation ensures you get the most out of your security system. At SecureView Security Cameras Tampa, we specialize in Arlo Pro4 installation services to make sure your camera is perfectly positioned and configured for maximum protection. From securing hard-to-reach locations to ensuring strong Wi-Fi connectivity, our team is here to make your installation process hassle-free and highly effective. Why? Choose professional Arlo Pro 4 installation in Tampa. The Arlo Pro 4 camera system is packed with advanced features, but setting up and optimizing these features can be a challenge for many DIY installers. Whether you're installing a single camera to monitor your front door, or creating a comprehensive security system for your entire property, SecureView Security Cameras Tampa provides expert installation to ensure you're fully protected. 1. Strategic camera placement for full coverage. One of the key factors in any security camera system is placement. Poor camera positioning can leave blind spots, allowing potential threats to go unnoticed. Our professional installers conduct a thorough survey of your property to identify the best locations for each camera, ensuring full coverage of all entry points, driveways, yards, and other critical areas. 2. Seamless Wi-Fi and smart home integration. The Arlo Pro 4 is a wireless security camera that relies on your Wi-Fi network to stream and record footage. However, Tampa's larger homes or properties with complex layouts can experience Wi-Fi dead zones, leading to connectivity issues and missed footage. Our team ensures that your cameras are placed in areas with strong, consistent Wi-Fi signals. We can also assist with extending your network if necessary to ensure smooth streaming. In addition, our professional installation service includes setting up your camera to work with your preferred smart home system, whether that's Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit. This integration allows you to control your cameras with voice commands and receive instant notifications on your smartphone. 3. Custom motion detection settings. The Arlo Pro 4 features customizable motion detection zones, which help to reduce false alerts triggered by pets, passing cars, or outdoor elements. However, setting up these zones can be tricky if you're not familiar with the system. Our technicians will fine-tune the motion detection settings based on your property's layout, ensuring that you're alerted only when it matters most. 4. Weatherproof installation for Tampa's climate. Tampa's tropical weather can be tough on outdoor electronics, but the Arlo Pro 4 is designed to withstand rain, humidity, and heat. Our team takes extra care during installation to ensure your cameras are weatherproofed and securely mounted, providing year-round protection. Whether it's the hot summer sun or a sudden downpour, your cameras will remain functional and safe. 5. Complete system setup and testing. Once the cameras are installed, our job doesn't stop there. We'll complete the entire setup process for you, including connecting the cameras to the Arlo app, configuring settings like motion alerts and recording schedules, and testing the system to make sure everything works perfectly. We don't leave until your system is fully operational and you're comfortable using it. Avoid common DIY pitfalls with professional installation. While the Arlo Pro 4 is marketed as an easy-to-install system, many homeowners in Tampa run into common problems that can diminish the effectiveness of their security setup. Here are some of the most frequent DIY issues that our professional installation can help you avoid. 1. Weak Wi-Fi signals. If your cameras are installed too far from your router or in areas with poor connectivity, they may not function properly. 1. We ensure all cameras have a strong, reliable connection to your network. 2. Improper camera angles. DIY installers often mount cameras at the wrong height or angle, missing key areas like windows or entry points. 2. Our expert installers use their knowledge to position cameras for maximum visibility. 3. Incorrect motion detection settings. If not set up correctly, motion detection can trigger constant false alarms or fail to notify you of real threats. 3. We fine-tune your motion zones to reduce unnecessary alerts. 4. Weather damage. Tampa's heavy rains and high humidity can damage cameras that are not mounted or sealed correctly. 4. We take extra steps to weatherproof your installation, so your cameras last longer and function better. Why Tampa homeowners trust SecureView Security Cameras for installation. SecureView Security Cameras. Tampa, we pride ourselves on offering the highest level of service when it comes to security camera installations. Here's why our clients trust us for their Arlo Pro4 installation services. 1. Expert technicians. Our team is trained in the installation and optimization of Arlo Pro4 systems. 1. We know how to get the most out of your cameras so that they perform reliably. 2. Local experience. With extensive experience installing security systems in Tampa, we know the unique challenges of the area, from weather conditions to Wi-Fi connectivity issues. 3. Comprehensive support. We don't just install your cameras and leave. We offer ongoing support and maintenance to ensure your system stays in top condition. 4. Complete peace of mind. When you hire us, you're getting more than just an installation. 4. You're getting the assurance that your security system is set up for maximum protection, giving you peace of mind whether you're at home or away. How to schedule your Arlo Pro4. Installation in Tampa. If you're ready to protect your home or business with the advanced features of the Arlo Pro4, don't settle for a DIY installation. Contact us today to schedule a professional Arlo Pro4 installation in Tampa. Call us at 813-489-9332 or visit www.secureviewcameras.com to book your appointment. Our team will work with you to design a custom security solution that fits your property's unique needs, ensuring that your Arlo Pro4 cameras are installed quickly and efficiently. Let us handle the hard work so you can enjoy complete security without the stress. Watch the video below for a detailed look at how our team installs the Arlo Pro4 system and how you can get the most out of your security camera setup in Tampa.